Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add or change phone number in Gmail account. Click Google account. Click Personal Info. Click Phone. Click Phone Number. Click 3 dots after phone number. Click Remove to delete existing phone number. Type password. Click Remove. Click Remove number. Phone number is removed successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.